you right through there. Okay, there you go. Turn it around. And over there, I think it's dirty over there. She works so hard, Daddy. She has so many jobs to do.
She's cleaning.
Oh, your ball. You want to play ball? Okay, throw it to Mama. Throw it to Mom. Roll it to Mom. Throw it to Mom. You can't throw it if you got the pointer in your hand. Oh, throw it to Mama. Oh, you just come with it. That's my favorite way. Mama said.